Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create sales funnel in Go High Level software. When you log into the Go High Level software, first thing you have to do is to scroll down on the left side menu and click on websites and funnels and click on the funnel tab, and now here you can create sales funnel. Now click on the new funnel button, and here you can see that you can use the ready-made templates which are available in the Go High Level software. You can go to the template library and you can choose any of the previously built templates. Like here lots of templates are available, like agency template, attorney template, auto dealer template, chiropractor template, etc. Coaching funnels are available, gym funnels are available, and so on. You can choose any of the funnels if you like, but in this video we are going to create a new funnel from the scratch. So let's click on the funnel button and name this funnel as test funnel and create funnel. Now the basic setup of a funnel is created. Now you have to add the steps in the funnel. For that you have to create add new step and name this page as page 1, and optionally you can import from ClickFunnels into Go High Level software. And now create funnel step. Now this is the first funnel step, and you can edit anything in this page. Let's edit this page. Here you will see that everything is blank. Now you have to add some columns into the page. First of all, you can see that there are 4 types of columns available, like full width, wide, medium and small. For the sake of this video, we are going to use full width. You just need to drag and drop into the page and the column will be created. Now you can add a row, and now a sub row can be created inside it. You can use 1 column, 2 column, 3, 4 and up to 6 column. Let's use 1 column for this tutorial. Drag and drop here, and now you have to add an element. You can add elements such as headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs, bullet lists, buttons, forms, and you can even add medias like video and images. And you can also add custom elements such as HTML, surveys, calendars, maps, SVG, and a countdown timer, navigation menu, and so on. Now let's add a headline in this page. Just drag and drop this element, and now you can edit this text. Let's say this is the test funnel page. So this is the headline. You can change the color of this headline. and you can also increase the size of the headline as much as you want. You can change the color from black to green, or you can choose any color from this option. You can get lots of options like you can create shadows like light fade shadow, mid shadow, strong shadow. It will look like this, and you can align it. You can move it to the right, or you can move it to the left, or you can keep it at the center. You can also add some drop down shadow. You can increase and decrease the mobile font size from here. It will be visible on mobile, and if you want to increase the size of desktop font, then you can use it from here. And if you want to change the color, then you can use from here. Lots of color combination are available, and here a spacing option is also available. You can increase the padding from left to right, also the top padding and bottom padding. Also you can increase the margin from top and bottom. And in the advanced option, you can also add borders, full border or bottom border, so on. You can add the border style as solid border, dashed border, or dotted border. You can also change the width of the border. So here lots of options are available. For now, let's move to the next step. Now let's add some paragraph in this funnel. Now choose a column, and now add an text element which is called paragraph. Drag and drop from here, and now you have the text paragraph. You can write anything like this is the first page of the funnel steps. You can increase the size of the text. Now it's looking better. And now you can also add button on the page. Add row, one column, and add an element called button. So you can name the button anything. Like click here to sign up. And on the button action, you can do, such as open a pop-up or redirect to a website or scroll to an element or click on the next step, or you can email an SMS and so on. For now, we can set a website URL, and when somebody clicks on this button, they will get redirected to a website. For example, let's do linkedin.com, and you can open this pop-up in a new tab. Now you can save it. You can add some metadata for this form, like title, description, keywords, authors, social images, and so on. Let's save it. And after saving it, you can see the preview of the funnel. For that, click on the preview button. So this is the first page of the funnel, and when you click on the button, you will be redirected to the website you have entered. We have put LinkedIn in the button, so it is forwarded to the LinkedIn website. So now the first page of the funnel is been created. Let's go back and create the second page of the funnel. For that, you have to add a new step. Let's name this step as page 2 and click on the create funnel step. And the second page of the funnel step is being created. Now you can edit this page. And you can add fold with column, and after that you can also add the elements like headline, subheadline. Let's name this headline as this is the headline. And now you can also add subheadlines. Here you can say this is a sub headline. And now you can add a button into the page. Add a button element, drag and drop here, and change the name of the button. Or you can leave it as it is. For now, let it be. Click to sign up but text. Now you can add some more elements such as video and images. For this video, let's add a video file here. Click on one column and add an element as a video. Here you can add any video if you want. You can add video from YouTube, from Vimeo, from Viesta, or you can add a custom embedded video. For now, you can add any video from YouTube. And it will appear here. So let's save it. You can fill the metadata and you can preview this page. So this is the second page of the funnel. This is the headline, this is the sub headline, and this is the YouTube video, and this is the clip, this is the button. You can play this video as well.
Hey, what's up guys, John Hassa here. And in this video, I'm going to
Now let's go back to the first step of the funnel and connect this both of the funnel in one place. For that you have to link both of the pages in the funnel. So we have to go on the page 1 and edit this page. And to connect the both of the pages, you can link it by clicking on the button and go to the button action tab, and previously we have put LinkedIn website. Now in the action button you can click on the next step button, next step option, and now this first page is connected with second page of the funnel. Let's save it and let's preview this page. This is the first page of the funnel, and when you click on the button it will be redirected to the second page of the funnel. Let's see. So when we clicked on the button, it is redirected to the second page of the funnel. In this way you can create lots of pages of a single funnel, and you can connect all the pages like this. Let's go back and see how you can add more funnels pages in this funnel. So in this test funnel we have two pages, one pages and second page. You can add unlimited pages on this funnel by clicking on this add step button, and you can add 5 pages, 10 pages, even 15 pages, and so on. I hope you like this video, and if you want to use this Go High Level software, then I am giving you the link in the description. Go and sign up from that button, from the link, and you will get a 14-day free trial, and you can use this Go High Level software and create unlimited sales funnel from it. So thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next day.